everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be doing a quick look and unboxing of the Bugs 6 by Drocon. Don't know if you can see it. Now MJX makes the Bugs 3 as well as Drocon. So this is the same drone, no difference, just the name. So let's get into opening it here. All right. Okay, first of all, we have the manual, some stickers, and a nice little note from the company. Sorry. I'm just going to open it from one side only. And here we have the Bugs 6 by Drocon, and also MJX. As I said, it's the same drone. So I'm going to remove it from the styrofoam case. It does have a protective plastic that it keeps it nice and protected in there, so it doesn't get scratched. Nice look to it. What I do like about it that's different from the Bugs 3 is that this one actually looks like a bug, an actual insect. And so yeah, it goes with the name. So let me start with the motors. It does have brushless motors, as you can see here. Let me pull far away. This focal point of this camera is not, so I got to keep it that distance. All right, so these are brushless motors. However, they are encased in a plastic, so they're not like the Bugs 3 brushless motors, which are made from an aluminum or an alloy, some sort of hard metal, and they're more durable. These, I wouldn't say that they're like weak or anything. They're the same 1806 kV brushless motors. Thumb screws to remove the props, and the propellers, I believe, are like 1 inch smaller than the Bugs 3. So, and they do have a different design to them. You have the LED lights in the front, 2 of them, that are really bright, by the way, and I'll be showing you that in a minute. You have the battery slot here on the bottom where the battery goes, right in here. You have some cool LED backlights, the Drocon logo. Nice little top casing, which is removable just like the Bugs 3, and I'll show you right now, which I like about these types of drones. This is an entry-level drone. They label it as so. An entry-level racer drone, sorry. So there you go, that's the top casing, removable, and you can easily see the inside of the drone and access it in case you have to replace any parts, or if you wanted to install, just like the Bugs 3, an optional 5.G Wi-Fi FPV camera, which would go in here. And just like the Bugs 3 again, you would connect it right here, and just to put the top back, you just place it like so, and you click it right back on. Here we have the battery. The battery is, as you can see, it's an MJX RC. Drocon and MJX are, I don't know if it's the parent company or an affiliate subsidiary, but they are both the same. This is a 7.4 volt 1300 milliamp 2 cell lithium polymer battery, and this would just go in right in there like this, and you would connect it inside here. One second. And you would connect this like that. Make sure that you connect it the right way, because you can damage it really easy if you don't. So I'm just gonna do that, and you can see already the lights turn on. Nice cool LED lights. Looks really nice. I like it. Alright, so I'm going to turn that off and continue here. You have the charger and a USB cable that goes connected to the charger so you can charge your battery. Oh, this is nice. So you can charge 2 types of batteries. This thing accepts 2 types, 2-cell and 3-cell batteries. So that's 2-cell and that's 3-cell. So that's cool. So you have your propeller guards. You get 4 of them. You have a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. You have the spacers, and you have this tool, which is a tool to help you. You just put it over and do that. So that's that. I forgot what it's called, by the way, but yeah. You have extra propellers, 4. So that's nice. And what else do we have here? We have in the back the actual transmitter, the remote control. And this is the same remote control as the Bugs 3. The only difference is the color, but it does the same thing as the Bugs 3. It uses AAA batteries. AA, sorry, 1.5 volt AA batteries. It is not spring loaded, so it's manual, you know, just like the Bugs 3. You have the ignition button, turn on, turn off. This is for flips. This is for taking pictures and video when you have the optional camera mounted on the drone itself. The power button and the trims. This is to trim. And yeah, that's pretty cool. You can also mount a monitor here, which is optional as well. You can buy it separately. This one is just the regular version. It doesn't have that, but you can buy this with that will come along with the monitor and also the virtual goggles, the FPV goggles. Now, this has a transmission range of approximately 300 meters. So I'm not sure if it goes further. I haven't tested it out, but that's what it says, and I'm sure that that's what it does. You have a flight time of 12 minutes. Basically, that's all I had for you today. I will follow up with another video on how to set it up, binding and pairing the controller to the drone, calibrating the drone, and also doing a flight test. Again, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, just click down below, subscribe, and also click on the side where you see that little notification bell, so you'll be the first to be notified when I have uploaded a new video. If you can't subscribe, just, you know, give a little like. That helps the channel out a lot. And yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you so much once again, and you guys have a nice day. Bye.